Our bigger mission is to hydrate 1 billion people to thrive every day. We're building the world's largest hydration platform, competing with companies like Coca-Cola and PepsiCo, who are essentially selling sugar water in plastic. Over the last years, we've built a network of partners that's now present in 16 countries in Europe.
Aquablu has been named the 30th fastest growing scale-up of Europe, and we are just beginning. 20 years ago, there were no premium coffee machines in office, and now it's status quo. In 5 years' time, this will happen the same with hydration. Aquablu is a category on its own, where we are the leader in the European market, which is flavored functional drinks with personalization. And now you can truly lead with a product where you're going to be one of the first in your market to sell. So are you a leader or are you a follower?
Are you ready?